Stories all my life will always be with me. Stories all my life will never ever leave me. Inside this bag, it's always there with me. Adidas, we wonder where this road's gonna lead us. It's bad food, but they still try to feed us. And now we infected and we stuck in this roller coaster. A man to a monster, or a man to abomination. We talk the same, but still we need translation. A part of me's leaving me for better destinations. I still gotta find my way. Voices in my head telling me there's no better way. Stay home, get high, get wasted. Fuck the bills and screw the obligations. I never thought be a man was die hard. I feel like Bruce Willis playing the Die Hard. And I still have some fresh scars. I don't need a band-aid, so please help me, God. And they say it's just music, but everything I say really comes from the deepest. So, as a man I have to face it. Like the color green telling me to just smoke it. Or like the green eyes where I was lost in it. Crying to me to bring back the magic. And what I do, I smoke another chronic. I smoke another chronic. Living life, try to be strong. Living life not to be wrong. Can you come for me? Can you walk with me? Can you take my hand and be a part of me? Living life, try to be strong.
Yes, I can.
Living life, not to be wrong.
Yes, I will.
And if you don't want to be, just let me fall on this bridge and trust me, I'll find a way to make it. Living life, try to I'll find a way to make it. Living life, not to I'll find a way to make it. Living life,
every day
strong.
Yeah.
Living life, not to be wrong.
If I didn't live life trying to be strong, I would never put my pain into these songs. We are one until they take the one away. We are James Bond, we live to die another day. Cause how could they take away what was never theirs? Reverse the process and love is what we share. I'm already there. I've heard it all before. You wanna see me panic, see me struggle and choke, or hope I'll never make it out of the north side. If I never make it out, what was the meaning of life for? All the hard work, all the misery, it's all nonsense if I let despair get to me. My motivation shouldn't be a mystery. My job is to rewrite history. So to my mom, Pat, and John P, I take this moment to tell you I won't be destroyed by this life, my soul will fly free. And thanks for seeing in me what others can't see. Let's toast to our courage and our determination. You can put your wallet down, this one is on me. The lyrical, ordinary bum, so ordinary, extraordinary stunts. So ordinary, ordinary's having fun. Oh, we oh so ordinary, but you can't stop us. Knife wonder, holla back at us. Since the Lord won't give me a sign, I give you these rhymes until I find peace. But peace is like a good girl, it's a little harder to find. Whoa.
Living life, try to be strong. Living life, not to be wrong. Can you come for me? Can you walk with me? Can you take my hand and be a part of me? Living life, try to be strong. Living life, not to be wrong. And if you don't want to be, just let me fall on this bridge and trust me, I'll find a way to make it. Living life, try to I'll find a way to make it. Living life, not to I'll find a way to make it.